This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Yeah. DC 6402032A. Here's that part. So this is a model number WF210A, N as in Nancy, W/XAA01. We're going to remove our spring clamp and just get to this one. It's going to be easy to do. Here's the new part, and you kind of see the orientation. There's that little pin, and it's just got some plugs that go into it. And then we got a couple of screws. These are just Phillips head screws. Now the spring clamp, we just got to get it in and pry it out. A bit hard to see. There it is. We got the screwdriver in there, and we're just going to the side here. It's going to get it out. And there's our spring right there. So once you get that off, you can peel boot off. It gives you access to the back. I'm just going to take out these two Phillips head screws. And this one was still working, but it was just showing a door error and would not always start, kind of intermittent. So it's probably just getting worn out. So we're going to zip out these two Phillips head screws. More. Okay, and then the door lock will come out, and you just have to remove where it's connected right here. So you got this wire inside here, it comes out. You get this nice plastic jacket that we're going to put on the other one too. So you have to pry this off. Use your Phillips head or your standard head screwdriver to help pry off the case. There we go. It comes out. We're going to put that on the new one, and we're going to pry off this one. Oh, I'm sorry, not pry off, but we're going to engage this. Pinch it, wheel it off. Put our new one in there. Lock that in. I'm going to put on the case to protect it. Just click it in. Push the wire in there. Alright, we're going to put that in position. Put in those screws. And pretty much done. So probably the other one was just wearing out. If you were in a pinch, you didn't have one, and you just wanted to get this one going, it's possible that cleaning this with electrical cleaner spray in here and here and here might get this one working again. They're pretty cheap, and think about it, that's a part of the washer that's constantly being used. I'm just going to put the boot back into that slot. So it's a part of the washer that would tend to wear out faster than other parts. So to put this one back on, you want the spring to be down at the 6 o'clock position. Start here at 12 o'clock. Then you're going to push and spread this apart. Another thing that could help, sometimes these are, depending on the model, these are a little bit harder to get in. If you lubricate this one with something slippery like liquid detergent, it's actually a lot easier. So just put a little bit in there, put some on your fingers, and just run it along the metal. Just makes it slippery. Let's see if that helps. So start at 12, put your fingers out at 4 and 6, push down. Alright, looks good. Put it in the groove there. Hold that down with my thumb near the spring. On the other side though, I'm going to hook over with my screwdriver, help guide that in. Okay, I think we got it. Just make sure before you move everything. Like this one looks like it's slipping out on this side. I'll push it down a little better. There we go. Alright, cool. Let's test it out. Close the door. So turn it on, give it power. Before we were getting a door error right away, but now it seems okay. Let's see if when we start it. Heard that click. So that did the trick. We got rid of the door error and starts up right away. So this one is probably just dirty. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.